This is a tool here that we made for HostMonster WordPress add-ons, and in here you can see this is more of the Moji training here. So we have an affiliate page to get on some of this training here, 'cause you're going to seriously need it. And trust me, the infamous amount of information that you will learn here will be useful, and you can put it towards you building your own business or marketing, however you prefer. Okay, so we'll start here and I'll give you a little show of what this thing here can do. Here we go, we'll hit the play button. Okay, no, we'll click no on that. It logs on, redirects, and what it will do is it'll go straight into my WordPress. And once you get into WordPress, it'll select the domain name, and as you can see here, this is very useful when you're building your site and you're creating some things there. You could seriously use this here, because this right here, what it does, it eliminates a lot of time that's preventing you from doing something that you need to do. But if you have your tools set up here, as you can see here, it's installing WordPress tools here, as you see. But it's really good because you can learn a lot when you do things like this here. Well, it's already creating these domains, and majority of them don't really need. It was just a sample here, which I can show you what they do. And on WordPress here, it goes on. It would click on the WordPress add-on onto my domain name, and we'll click on that. Show you a little bit. It's kind of running a little real fast through it, so you really didn't get to see what it was doing. It comes in here. It clicks the install button here. Goes through the installing process in here, and where would you like WordPress to be installed? Domain. If you got a subfolder, you can put a subfolder in here, the name of the subfolder. You go through the legal rights, you read it, and then you hit the complete button. Once it does that, it actually brings you back into another screen, which gives you your confirmation number. But we have it all set up in here that once you get using and starting using the system here, you'll know basically your domain name or subfolder that you entered, and then it gives you your own created password, or you can create your own password. Usually we create our own passwords for quick reference. You don't want to build these here on a package or a tool and not know your login, because that's the one thing that HostMonster can provide for you, a login password. And if you don't know that login password, your email or whatever it is, they'll send it back to you. But to make that short and to avoid any of those errors there, what you can do is just create your own password, and you put your password in the box over here. Once again, this is the Moji training here, and we have an affiliate site, so you might want to check that out so you can understand how it is that it works with the Moji, because Moji is really good, really interesting, and it's something that you will need in order for you to continue on with your marketing, your internet marketing, or whatever it is that you do. If it's a business that you do and you're trying to get out there, this is what you might want to have on your side here, especially as far as when you're going in and you're doing a lot of work. So this here is really grateful here. This is a tool here that we created here. Really good. You just go in here and you replace with your HostMonster name, your domain name, and it basically works from there. And these are one of our tools here that we're selling for $25 here also. So quick little thing it showed you. Go back to cPanel. But I'll make another video here to do the actually the end result of this here. But we have our domain name, and it's pretty well good here. And I'm gonna stop it here.